morning, guys. So we woke up into cloudy day and we are going to visit Kawasan Falls with our motorbike. I hope it will be not raining again today, so we will see. We are going for canoeing.
Wait a little bit, I cannot. Oh my god, I cannot.
Bright and I've been all alone. It's a bitterness I long for, crawling skins out red and raw. You lick your liquid lips, go back for more.
So after canoeing we are going to Kawasan Falls. I think it's like 30 minutes to go to Kawasan Falls by walk, so it will be long. This is first part of the Kawasan Falls, and you can actually go here just for wooden boat for 400 pesos per person, and you can take a massage under the waterfall, and it's nothing to do more. Just take a boat and go there for the massage for 5-10 minutes, and then I recommend to go up to the second part of the Kawasan Falls. It's much better there. So this is the second part of the Kawasan Falls. It's more beautiful than the first one. I jumped from there. It's amazing. You can jump also from the rope. It's amazing. They ask you here for jumping 300 pesos, but you can go this way, there, and you can walk there and you can jump there. It's better and for free.